Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. This is Miss Mordia from ICSA and I'm here with an exciting update. Our virtual assistant training course is now officially open for enrollment. Kung ikaw ay naghahanap ng online work, gustong maging virtual assistant, or simply want to upskill for better opportunities, this course is perfect for you. Our class will start on Sunday, November 30, and good news. Meron po tayong startup class para sa mga gustong humabol or first-timers na gusto munang mag-explore before committing fully. Inside this training, matututunan nyo ang pinaka-importanting skills na hinahanap ngayon ng mga international clients, including using AI for virtual assistant, Canva, Google Apps, time management, handling complaints, business continuity, inventory and filling system, communication skills, office etiquettes, customer service, business correspondence, telephonic techniques, booking arrangement, business proposal and presentation, Microsoft Outlook, secretarial procedure, job interview, workshop, management skills, and many more. This is a format online interactive course with live instructors. After finishing the course, you will be certified and ready to apply as a virtual assistant with confidence. If you're ready to change your career, increase your income, and work from home or anywhere in the world, this is your chance. Message us now at +965-9930-2850. Once again, class will start this Sunday, November 30. Don't miss it. This is Ms. Maria, and we hope to see you inside the course. Enroll now and start your journey to becoming a successful virtual assistant.